is Matthew Southern, and this is Juan, and we're looking to buy a house. And the reason why I wanted to look into buying a home is for an investment, and also to have like an independence of having my own place. It was a good time for that step in my life, and I needed to figure out a plan for my budget, what areas I could afford. I have the privilege of working from home, so an area like this is acceptable for me to be able to work and not really need to go places or drive in traffic or anything like that. So when the time came where I financially was ready to purchase, I reached out to find which real estate company could help me find a house. And I like this area, like Arrowhead. I've always liked the mountains, and it's away from the city. It's exactly what I wanted. I like this house, the seclusion, the sense of privacy around the area here, the connection it has like with nature, the beauty of the surroundings, and the quietness. It's very quiet and relaxing, and I work from home, so I need that quiet. I need the silence to be able to like work and be on the phone, and I think this area is perfect for that. And the house is 2 bedrooms, and it was big enough for what I needed. I could use one as an office or a guest room. There's everything I needed. So my agent was able to help me a lot, especially meeting us at the bottom of the mountain so we can drive up together to look at the homes initially. We looked at multiple homes in different areas around here, Running Springs, like Arrowhead. We even went to Lake Gregory, around there for Crestline area. But very helpful with knowing how to access the homes and setting up the days where it worked out for me to be able to go with him and do that. Explaining off his knowledge to what needs to be done by looking at the home just face value and giving me a better idea. Also showing me a property that is maybe everything I wanted but necessarily couldn't afford, just to kind of get that sense out of my head. That was very helpful. But after finding a price range where I was comfortable with, my agent was able to find a list of properties that worked for me. We saw pretty much all of them. It is limited to the properties up here, but we were able to access most of them, and very helpful with the paperwork. The online e-signing and stuff was great. I didn't have to meet anywhere and sign anything physically. So I think that saved a lot of time and helped the escrow go as fast as we did. As far as getting the offer in on time, it was perfect timing for that. We were able to get the offer in on the house through the online paperwork. It was great because everything was in there. My agent fought for the repairs that needed to be done, and we were able to get money for the closing of escrow, and that saved me a lot of out-of-pocket expenses, so I appreciate that from the agent a lot. It helped us out. And also being able to get the price where we put our offer in is a competitive market. There was 3 other offers, and the package for our offer was very appealing for them. The whole package where it's like a cash view as cash, and it just, I guess it looked very exciting for the seller. So they chose us, and we were able to go through with escrow and get this home for $20,000 less than it got appraised for. So that's great. So that's already equity for me. It's a great purchase, I think, and I hope in the future it keeps getting better and I could make this my home. So the referral came from my sister, who actually got her house sold from the same agent. So overall, I am satisfied with Rudy Kasula and his team and my real estate agent. I'm thankful for everything they've done. I am most likely willing to refer my friends and family to you guys. You guys did a great job, and I got this done in a very timely manner, very organized, and I felt like I was led in the right paths to finish this escrow, and overall satisfied, so thank you.